Hi, welcome to Coding Bible channel. In the last video, we started data binding and we saw interpolation, which is the first type of one-way binding. And now we will see the second type of one-way binding, which is property binding. Of course, you know that for each email tag, there are many known properties like ID, name, type, or disabled like here. And sometimes we need to bind the data between the class or from the class to these properties. We can do this with two methods. The first one is to write the property between these brackets and write the variable here. The second method is to use the interpolation like here. Let's see this in inspect. Okay, as you can see, it is normal. However, be careful with using the interpolation with property binding like this, because, for example, let's try here to use it with disabled. If we click the button here, it will be disabled and enabled correctly. And if we use interpolation, what will you expect? Do you expect that both of them will be enabled? I will say no, as you can see. Why? So let's write here name and use the interpolation for this. And if we click here, you can see the value actually changed in the name, but it doesn't affect the disable or enable this button in the disabled property, because interpolation just get the text from the variable or interpolate the value to string to put it here, and that's it. For example, if we write here true, it will not affect anything. If we write false, it will not affect the input, because for Chrome, disabled just exists whatever it has the value true or false. Okay, this is the problem. So for me, I usually use the property binding with this method. I never use interpolation with property binding like this one, because it will cause some problems with some properties like this one. So I recommend you to use it with this method. Okay, and this method will just say, please, if this is true, just put the disabled property here, and if it is false, just remove it. Look at this one. As you can see, Chrome will just remove and put the disabled property. That's it. So I recommend using property binding with this method. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to tell us, and thank you for watching.